Alright, so this is something I've been thinking about for a while, but bearing balisongs, they're by no means bad, I'll get that out right? We all know that they're good, just like most other balisongs. You know, they have a bit more of a, I guess you could say, a fast motion to them, right? I do have a little bit of problems, like, if I were to hit there and try and go into fans, sometimes they lock up like that. They're so fast that the normal sensical timing doesn't apply to them, but they're like really predictable when it comes to aerials. Now that might just be me because I actually learned how to aerial on this Titanium Luchacon that I got from Balisong Flipping, but still, like, I don't know, I just feel like their aerials are so predictable. Now, oh, there's that one. But still, like, they're just, I don't know, they're a bit weird, right? Like, here's a different bearing balisong that I got recently. Did a video about this, my Amazon balisong video, but this is also a bearing balisong. Feels a little heftier than my Lucha clone. Oh, there that goes. But it's the same thing, like, it seems so fast it locks out like that. It'll just get stuck and flip back over when I want to go into fans. Now, then maybe that's just a lack of experience, but still, like, I would say it has fairly predictable aerials for the most part. And now that I'm trying to film, I can't do it, as is typical. But I just, I don't know. I don't hate them, but, like, something about their speed, it just throws me off. Like, something like, let's go with the Prisma, right? Whenever I try and flip over and go into a fan, it, for the most part, doesn't really ever lock out on me. I'm just using lockout as a stand-in-place term. I don't really know the term for what's happening, but, like, I feel like you understand what I mean. It's just, I don't know. It's interesting. Like, even something as weird as my KRAKE-RAKEN, my Marcolo Comet blade on Kraken handles with extra hardware in the handles for added weight, because this thing is weighted really weird. I lost the weight putty that I had in here, so the weight is just really messed up right now. But even this thing, like, I can still, like, not locked out, but for the most part, I can transition into fans fairly easily. But then I can't predict the aerials very well on this thing. I don't know what it is. Wow, it had to hit the stone, didn't it? Let's check that. Oh! All of that was not there before. Gotta love it. But yeah. So, what are your guys' opinions on bearing balisongs? If you wouldn't mind letting me know, leave it in the comment section. Or don't. Whatever you'd like. Yeah. This thing is still one of the weirdest flipping experiences, yet oddly satisfying. right? Ooh, yeah. Don't you just hate it when you cut the conjunctive skin between your fingers? Like this Franken rep from Slash to Gash. Once you tune out all the kinks from it, right, it's really good. But still, something about it, I always seem to catch it like this. I don't know why, but it just catch, and if it slides, oh god, you're fucked. It hurts. Good knife, really good knife. I do recommend getting it if you don't want to pay how much a replicant is. They also have an alt blade on Slash to Gash. And, you know, if you do like UPS Air, the shipping is damn fast. Came from the other side of the country and I got it in 2 days. Gotta love that. Ooh, look at that palm fan. For like 2 weeks in, that's not bad. But yeah, for sure. For something like $140 minus shipping, this thing kicks ass. Yeah, that's all I really had to say today. Just thought I'd do a little update on my thoughts. Catch you guys next time.